Good morning. It is a beautiful sunny day out here in Iwate, and I am out foraging for mushrooms with my mountain teacher, Haru-san, and a blast from the past, an old friend visiting from the Netherlands. Hey!
Hello, guys.
Do you remember Alejo? He was in the very first YouTube video I ever made. And of course, Haru-san.
Hi. 今日楽しみだね。
Without further ado, we're heading out. This is an area in the spring where we forage. There's usually a huge shelf of snow, even as late as June. This is a slippery slope, so to speak. And so you want to go up the right-hand side and maybe grab onto some brush if necessary. And Haru-san, I think, is about to let off some fireworks to scare away any bears, so don't be surprised. You hear loud banging.
Please don't collapse, please don't collapse, please don't collapse. Thank you.
Well done, sir. So far, watch you slide on your butt all the way down.
It doesn't show on camera, but it's so slippery. It's like there's butter everywhere.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
When we're looking for mushrooms, he always likes to look around these older, rotting trees for the types of mushrooms that he's looking for this time of year. But none here, apparently. Still beautiful, huh? So down here you see all these little nut-like things. Here, did you pick one up? That's from a tochinoki, and bears eat them. And the ancient indigenous peoples here, the Jomon, actually would pound that into like a powder and like make a sort of mochi out of these. So you can get starch out of them. You can eat them, they're just a pain in the ass to make edible. So nobody eats them anymore, yeah. Haru-san's telling us that in Yamagata, some people still sell food products made out of these. Ah, totta ato?
これはボリだ。
Borida de torarita. So someone came here and took all of the bori, the
完璧。
naratake. Someone has beat us to this location, unfortunately. Look at these. This, I'm not sure if these are edible. Let's look at the shin, I guess the heart of this one. It's not black, so this might be edible. これ食べれるやつですか?
あ、それはこれは剥きだけだから食べれる。
あ、でも結構あります。食べれるのはありますよ。
あるある。これがね、茶色とか黒かったら毒つきようだけ。これ白いから大丈夫。これがあれだ、剥きだけ。美味しいキノコ。
This is called moegi dake.
それ食べれるから。茹でるとね、なめこみたいになるから、鱗が取れるから。
Today we're not having that much luck at finding edible mushrooms, but to be honest, I'm having so much fun just walking up these streams, looking at these dead logs in this beautiful autumn season that I don't mind at all. Whether or not we find mushrooms, this is just exactly the place that I want to be. How are you feeling?
Really good.
Excellent.
Really good.
We've been, we're just climbing up the last of these little forks in the stream, and here's some bori. Just like a little bit here. So this is bori here. You can see because of the way that it looks with the underside of it here. And this is definitely bori. See, it's got the same shape. Good amount of bori here, and there's more over here.
ボイルして、あと大根おろしで、
ボイルと大根おろし。
あと醤油かけて、
いいね。
美味しい。
These are bori also. Naratake in standard Japanese.
お、はいはいはい。すみません。
Not edible, but beautiful. So we're slowly heading back down this same little creek to head out of the mountain after picked a little bit of mushrooms, but mostly just enjoyed this beautiful mountain. This is called Yanagi Modashi. And it's huge. This Yanagi Modashi is huge, but look at this. I'm gonna pick it. And this is still pretty edible, even at this size.
茹でて汁を捨てる。そしてあと何でも炒めてもいいし、大根おろしかけて醤油かけて食べてもいいし。真ん中苦いから割ってカットして茹でる。苦いからこうカットしてこうして茹でる。それ苦味が取れる。この状態で茹でる。水洗いしてそれから食べる。料理して。
It's not all smiles and good time.
Here, Haru-san went ahead and found some really perfect bori, or naratake.
綺麗だ。
These are beautiful, perfect shape. They look good. So you can see this nameko, which is nameko are very popular mushrooms. You can buy these at the supermarket as well. Look how slimy they are. They're very slimy and just delicious looking. These are called nameko.
So what do you combo nameko with? How do you eat them?
nameko はどういう風に食べればいいですかね。
もうなめこあれだ。味噌汁でもいいし、あとボイルして大根おろしであとかけて、あと醤油。もうすごい。これ、写真撮る。よかったね。
よかった。
穴場だもんね。
穴場だ。Didn't notice it until just now, but deep inside here, there's a whole bunch of them. Look at all these nameko under here. Just perfect. So today, after some pessimism about our ability to get some back, we've got tons of great mushrooms, mostly those naratake, or bori, as we call them in Iwate, and nameko. Delicious stuff. And so this is what we picked today. As you can see, it's a mix of the nameko here and the lots of bori.
いいものが取れてよかった。
So we're going to organize some tours where we take people for foraging for wild vegetables in the spring and possibly mushrooms in the fall as well.
もういっぱい自然がこっちの自然は綺麗だから誰も人入ってなくてゴミもないしぜひ皆さんいらしてください。
You were in the very first YouTube video that I did in 2019. Yeah, well, welcome back. So he's come all the way from the Netherlands just for like a week and then suddenly surprised me. So I'm in town. Can I come over?
Yeah, exactly.
If you're my friend, don't do this. Give me some notice next time.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. So what did you think today?
Today was wonderful. Actually, we had a chance to go up the stream and to look for different mushrooms, right? And vegetables, none of which I've never seen in my life or ate in my life. Well, later on we will. Overall, even if you don't come for the mushrooms themselves, the scenery is just gorgeous.
Yeah, I mean, to be totally honest, I'd walk up these streams even if we didn't pick anything. It's just fun to walk up waterways, look at the leaves, the hillsides, hope that we'd see wild animals, but...
I've seen a few birds.
Birds?
Yeah, birds.
Yeah, there's some nice birds today. Yeah.
And there's some evidence of bears, but I'd rather not see a bear.
All right, cool. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the trails.